Good morning, folks. Welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Owen J. Owen J in California. This is your LesComm custom DX959. Up in the 10-meter band, this is the Euro phone band. U.S. operators are not authorized to transmit in this area yet. .500 down to 28.300 is the U.S. phone band for 10 meters. Transmission mode is upper sideband. Today must be contest day. Anyway, I wanted to show you how some of the things work. We'll start with the your squelch scan. Okay, squelch the radio to where it just barely cuts out the noise. And select your direction of scan, either down or up.
And the name is Dave. Delta Alpha Victor Echo. Northeast Sligo, northwest of Ireland, over.
Northwest of Ireland. Like most of these guys are talking on half channels this morning.
Whiskey Kilowatt 9 United.
Anyway, that's scanned down. Okay, you control what it stops on with the squelch level. Okay, scan up works the same way. Okay. Get that back on the 5 there. This switch here, your CSS switch, changes what the channel selector does. It either switches the channel or switches the band. Okay, with it in the left or center position, it's channel. All the way over to the right, it's band and channel. You see that first digit there changed to an F. We are on band F, channel 35. Now, the channels in the bands are 1 through 45. There's no, it doesn't count A channels. It's just 1 through 45, okay? That's your lowest frequency. That's your highest frequency. Okay? Now let's get in this CB band. It's that guy from Italy. He always wants to talk to the West Coast. I don't know why he doesn't want to talk to anybody else. It's either Midwestern U.S. or West Coast. He never wants to talk to anyone on the East Coast. So as far as I'm concerned, I just ignore him. Because I am on the East Coast. That's probably what he wants. His numbers are 1 Sugar Delta 226. He's from Italy. He always wants to talk to someone in the western U.S. Maybe he's got relatives over there or something. Anyway, push this button in, turns your amplifier on, out, amp off. Okay, I'm on channel 37, lower sideband. Let me switch to the dummy load. And let's see, that guy there is on ×5. I got a 100-watt slug in it. So we're going to be reading on that center scale there, the one that says, where it says 50. That should be 500 watts, okay? This is average power. We have a 100-watt slug in there, so we're reading on the bottom scale. Okay, let me switch to upper sideband so I don't bother these guys. Meter on the right is peak. Meter on the left is average. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test, test audio. 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 And we're going into a cantenna through the bird. There's the cantenna right there, in case you don't know what that is. Okay. And I am on upper sideband right now. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm switching to AM. This is with RF power turned all the way up. Audio. Okay. Now I'm going to turn RF power all the way down. You can see we just barely kept. Audio. So you can turn the carrier way down on these. That's at 12 o'clock right there. Audio, hello. So a good place to run it would be at about 10 o'clock. Maybe a little bit less than 10. Let's see. Let's turn it down to about 9 o'clock. Hard to hold the microphone and turn the knob. Alright, that's 9 o'clock. That's a little over 30 watts. Audio, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still swings really good. Okay. There it is all the way back up again. Audio. Back on sideband. Audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. Getting ready to put the warranty seals on it, and box it up. Owen, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 7-3s, everybody. Okay, Owen J, California. This is your LesComm custom DX959. I wanted to show you some of the things I've done to it. There's your LC5304. I also added the 15 kilohertz wide 10.7 IO filter. Replaced the 25 kilohertz wide that helps in bleed over. Added a second final and installed a new driver. Actually, I moved the driver over to the second final position and installed a new driver. Set the bias up. Okay, installed the 4700 microfarad input buffer on the power, and also the 4700 microfarad storage cap for the voltage regulator, storage cap filter. Connected your SX350. I used half barrel connectors and soldered them so that they will not come apart. Okay, thought you'd like to see the inside of it. Galaxy installs the Schottky diodes, so I don't have to do that anymore. I did upgrade the receive section, broadbanded the transmit section. All that's been done. Okay, changed the meter light to blue and changed the counter and installed the 3-digit display. All right, I'm getting ready to put the well, actually I'm just going to set it on the amplifier and put the bottom cover on it and let it run overnight. Okay, I'll be back.